A crashed Air 4 prototype has already been photographed in the wild, revealing a Mavic-style top sensor module and reinforced arms. It's shaping up as a mid-size camera powerhouse with dual 1-inch sensors, while the Mini 6 Pro is set to stay under 250 grams and keep DJI's pocket drone formula alive. One chases image quality, the other chases portability. Here's how they compare, category by category. And today's video is sponsored by no one. If you want to book this spot, just mail us. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to keep DJI's signature sub-250-gram formula alive, the same weight class that made the Mini 3 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, and Mini 5 Pro so popular with casual flyers and travelers. Staying under that magic number means no drone registration hassle in a lot of countries, and it keeps the whole package light enough to toss in a day pack without a second thought. The Air 4 is aiming for something different. Leaked prototype photos show a chunkier, more rugged airframe with thicker folding arms, and a top-mounted sensor module that borrows styling cues from the flagship Mavic 4 Pro. That points to a drone built for durability and performance, rather than pocket-friendliness. Some leaks suggest DJI is trying to trim the Air 4 down toward the 500-gram mark for lighter registration requirements in certain regions. But even at its lightest, it's shaping up to be a noticeably bigger, tougher machine than the Mini 6 Pro. Think of the Air 4 as the drone you fly when image quality is the priority, and the Mini 6 Pro as the one you fly when you don't want to think about your drone's weight at all. The camera is really where the Air 4 pulls ahead on paper. Leaks point to a dual-camera setup with matching 1-inch sensors on both the wide and medium telephoto lenses. That's a meaningful jump from the mismatched sensor sizes on the current Air 3S, and it should mean sharper detail, better dynamic range, and more consistent color and exposure when you switch between the two lenses mid-flight. For anyone doing mapping work, real estate shoots, or professional-leaning content, matched 1-inch sensors are a genuine upgrade, not just a marketing bump. The Mini 6 Pro's camera story is fuzzier, since almost nothing concrete has leaked. But based on DJI's usual pattern, expect a single main camera with a smaller sensor than the Air 4's, likely built around improving low-light shots and dynamic range, rather than chasing a sensor size race. Some chatter points to a stacked CMOS sensor, and even a variable aperture, features that would help the Mini line punch above its weight class in tricky lighting. Even so, physics works against a sub-250-gram drone here. Smaller bodies mean smaller sensors, so the Air 4 is expected to comfortably win on raw image quality. Both drones are expected to push video specs forward, but likely in different directions. The Air 4 is rumored to support high-resolution 4K video at high frame rates with strong dynamic range thanks to those bigger sensors, making it a solid pick for anyone shooting cinematic B-roll, real estate walkthroughs, or landscape content where fine detail actually matters. The Mini 6 Pro is where things get more speculative, with some leaks floating 6K recording and even 8K dreams circulating online, though a lot of that chatter looks more like wishful thinking than solid leaks. What's more believable is that DJI keeps pushing 4K quality higher while adding smarter tracking and stabilization features, since that's been the formula for every Mini Pro generation so far. If video resolution numbers on a spec sheet matter most to you, the safer bet is the Air 4. If smart shooting modes and portability matter more, the Mini 6 Pro is still shaping up to be plenty capable. The Air 4's bigger body should translate into better flight performance across the board. Leaks point to improved wind resistance, with some reports mentioning stability in gusts up to around 14 meters per second, plus a more aerodynamic shape that should help with both speed and battery efficiency. Bigger batteries fit into a bigger frame, so expect flight times to stretch longer per charge compared to the Mini line. The Mini 6 Pro will always be fighting an uphill battle here simply because of its size. Compact batteries mean shorter flight times, and lighter frames get pushed around more easily in strong wind. That said, DJI has steadily improved this with every Mini generation, and if the Mini 6 Pro follows that trend, expect meaningfully better wind handling and battery life than the current Mini 5 Pro, even if it still can't match the Air 4 head-to-head, obstacle avoidance, and transmission. Both drones are expected to carry forward DJI's omnidirectional obstacle sensing, but the Air 4 seems to be getting the more advanced sensor array, likely borrowing tech from the Mavic line to handle tricky environments like dense trees or tight urban flying. Transmission-wise, the Air 4 is rumored to run either an upgraded O4 Plus system or possibly the newer O5 protocol, which would mean a longer control range and a more stable live feed, especially useful for flying farther from home or in areas with more radio interference. The Mini 6 Pro will likely stick with a proven, reliable transmission system similar to what's already on the Mini 5 Pro, since DJI tends to save its newest transmission tech for higher-end models first before trickling it down. Its obstacle avoidance should still be solid for everyday flying, just not quite as bulletproof as what the Air 4 is expected to offer. This is probably the clearest dividing line between the two. The Air 4 is expected to land in the same general territory as the current Air 3S, likely somewhere in the range of $1,100 to $1,400 depending on the bundle, given its bigger camera system and more advanced hardware. It's positioned as the mid-tier option between the ultra-portable Minis and DJI's flagship Mavic drones, so pricing should reflect that middle ground. The Mini 6 Pro should stay true to the Mini Pro line's pricing history, likely landing somewhere between $800 and $1,000 for a well-equipped bundle, keeping it the more budget-friendly and accessible choice of the two. If you're just getting into aerial photography or want something light enough to bring on every trip without a second thought, the Mini 6 Pro's price point makes it the easier entry. Which one should you wait for? If image quality, video performance, and flight stability top your list, the Air 4 is shaping up to be the stronger overall package, especially with those matched 1-inch sensors and beefed-up obstacle avoidance. It's the drone for people who care more about what ends up on their memory card than what's in their backpack. If portability, ease of travel, and a lower price tag matter more, the Mini 6 Pro keeps DJI's winning formula going. Light enough to fly almost anywhere, simple enough for beginners, and still packing enough camera tech to keep casual and semi-serious creators happy. Release timing for both drones points toward late 2026 into early 2027, so there's still time to watch how the leaks settle before either one officially lands. But based on everything currently circulating, the choice really comes down to a simple question. Do you want the best camera in a mid-size body, or the smallest possible drone that still takes great photos? The Air 4 answers the first question, and the Mini 6 Pro answers the second.